Have you been holding off on your window replacements in Dumas, Texas? You're not alone. Many homeowners assume it's just a cosmetic upgrade, something to deal with eventually. But the truth is, new windows are one of the smartest home improvements you can make. New windows completely change first impressions thanks to cleaner lines, updated styles, and modern frames that boost curb appeal and real estate value in one go. And you might be surprised by how much they impact your home's peace and quiet. Today's windows are designed to block out outside noise. Whether it's traffic, barking dogs, or the neighbor's mower, you'll barely notice. And maintenance? Far easier. Modern windows tilt in, clean fast, and hold up way longer without the constant scraping and painting. But new premium windows help you protect what's inside your home too. Thanks to built-in UV protection, your furniture and floors stay safe from all that daily Texas sunlight. Plus, you get stronger locks, impact-resistant glass, and energy-saving insulation, so you feel safer and more comfortable all year long. That's why working with a local pro matters, because they already know which products hold up best in Texas weather. And Texas weather is no joke. At Amarillo Solar Shade, we install custom-fit windows made for local homes, and we back them up with expert craftsmanship and friendly service. So if you're looking for stunning, long-lasting window replacements in Dumas, Texas, contact us today to schedule your premium upgrades.